It was a powerful explosion that literally shook homes here in Seaside Park just after 9:30 Saturday morning. Eerily close to the mapped-out route of an annual 5K charity race honoring our nation's Marines.
The explosion blew a hole in this plastic trash can just as runners in the Semper Fi charity race were due to pass around 9:30 this morning. But heavy turnout for the race, benefiting Marines and sailors, slowed registration and delayed the start. No runners were on the course and no one was hurt.
A breaking story out of Minnesota where at least 8 people were stabbed at a shopping mall. This happened just after 8 p.m. local time in St. Cloud, Minnesota, just about an hour outside of the Twin Cities area. According to police, a witness said the suspect made a reference to Allah and asked at least one person if they were Muslim before attacking them. Again, 8 people stabbed, treated for non-life-threatening injuries. 7 were released, and we know the suspect was shot and killed by an off-duty police
they
officer.
said that suspect was kind of
Hey, everybody get off of the street! Get off the street! Let's go! Get off the street! Everybody get off the street right now!
So bomb just went off in New York. A car just exploded.
Witnesses said it was like a volcano going off in the heart of Manhattan. Dozens of people were caught up in the explosion. One person is believed to have serious injuries. Police cleared the streets, fearing there might be other devices.
Guys, come on, we gotta go. We're not safe here.
But there is no evidence at this point of a terror connection. I also want to affirm that based on what we know at this hour, there is no specific connection to the incident in New Jersey. It is, again, too early to say anything definitive on those questions, but there's no specific evidence of a connection at this point.
An image of a badly damaged rubbish container was published by the police, but they refused to say the blast was caused by a bomb inside it.
Searching the area, perhaps for any other perhaps devices or any explosive devices in the area. We do have a witness that was that we met right as soon as we got here on the scene. Her name is Soleil. Soleil, if you can just come here. You were just with us with the judge. If you can just explain to our viewers one more time what you saw. You had just gone off the bus, and just explain to everybody back home what you witnessed.
I just got off of the crosstown bus on 23rd Street on 7th Avenue, and I went into a convenience store to get a magazine. I came outside, and I heard boom, and it was so huge. And it didn't seem normal, and I saw a big cloud of smoke. I don't know where it was coming from. It looked like it was in the middle of the street, and it was shaking. It was shaking my body. It was shaking